Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Malibu hood. First, always make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off. Next, locate the interior hood release lever. This is typically found on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, usually to the left of the steering column. It often has a small icon resembling a car with its hood open. Once you've located the interior release lever, firmly pull it towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound coming from the front of your Malibu, indicating that the primary hood latch has disengaged. This initial release allows the hood to slightly lift, preparing it for the next step. It's a simple pull, requiring just a small amount of force. Now move to the front of your vehicle. You'll notice the hood is slightly ajar but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, usually near the center, just above the Chevrolet emblem. You will feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent accidental opening while driving. To fully open the hood, push the secondary safety latch to the side, typically to the right or left, while simultaneously lifting the hood. Once released, gently lift the hood with both hands until it is fully open. Then, locate the hood prop rod, usually found on the underside of the hood, and insert its end into the designated slot to securely hold the hood in the open position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.